George and Sekra. Today we're going to be unboxing the GoPro Hero 10. So let's open it up. So there's this. So first, this I believe is the Hero 10 itself. So we're going to put that aside. And then you have a little adventure kit. This has a thing you can hold. This, I'm not sure what you do with that. And one you can put on your head. So first, let's do the Hero 10 itself. It's wrapped in this little thing that says GoPro. So let's slide it out. How to get this out. Here is the Hero 10 itself. It's a little ripped, but that's fine. How do you open this? I guess you just... I don't know. Or like supposed to be a...
Bottom.
Oh. The bottom? Oh. So, let's go on it. Here it is itself. This is the main GoPro camera. Charger. This is Type-C. We have this little mounting kit. Little bucket. That's what that is. A battery. And what this is. Let's take out the actual camera itself. This is the camera. I got this wrap. There's like a little... Oh, that's pulled up. There's the camera. And then there's one more. And then this is the camera. There's a screen. That should be the on button, I think. There's these little things on one. So let's put this aside. Let's get to the accessories. Okay. Here is the adventure kit. The handler, floating hand grip. The head strap 2.0 and compact case. So even though that came with the case, this is an extra one. Oh, is this supposed to? I don't know. I'll just rip it. Okay, don't know. Just gotta rip it. Why is this in there? It's like in there. So I'll just rip it, because I have no idea how this is getting out. The GoPro. Oh, this is a security tag, so we might not be able to get that off.
Just do this.
We'll show this in the next video when we are able to get the security tag off. So if you like that video, comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Bye.